quickly stopped in to get another watermelon on the main road out of Laura. And you can see them growing on the farm now a bit further down, which is cool. That was so good last time that we're going to stop and get another one. What else do they have in here actually? They've got pumpkins as well. So they got seeded or seedless, $5 each. They've got pumpkins, orange glow pumpkins. They've got passion fruits, chilies, bananas, and more watermelons. I think I'm gonna have to go and get some more money. Oh, they've changed it too. They've added a more solid money box in the last 5 weeks, 6 weeks. Plus a super sized zucchini. Holy dooly, that's crazy. I missed that before. How did I miss that? Anyway, I think I have to get more money and get something else. So we end up with bananas.
Ladyfinger.
They're big ladyfingers.
Yeah.
I can see the plantation across the road.
Yeah.
Yum. End up with a pumpkin, a bag of passion fruits, and a watermelon. $16. Good morning from sunny kind of Cooktown. We're at the Pinnacle Caravan Park, which is really beautiful and green. Check out these paper barks all around. So beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. We are just doing a day of like calling around and trying to organise the next bit of time, see where we're at, all that kind of thing, getting some fridge repairs done, doing the washing, all that kind of thing, but I feel like we're getting somewhere, slowly but surely. So I went to the office to find out if there was any caravan repair people in Cooktown that could help us put the fridge back into some sort of stable place, and they didn't know, but they did know a chippy that was a caravaner. So they sent me to him, and he's come over to have a look, and we've got a bit of a plan. But look, check this out. The freaking, it's getting worse. Like the front has just like fallen down because that's the amount of glue that they've used. Like honestly, come on. Anyway, the plan is to actually push it back and wedge at the bottom.
Put some packers under the front.
Yeah, packers, wedges under the bottom to kind of take the pressure off and push it back into place. I'm worried about this light here. And screw it in again. And hopefully that gets us to Cairns, where we might be able to get
we don't know yet.
Some more help.
Maybe.
But I did just ring a caravan repair place, and they said it was like a 10-week wait. 10 weeks. I'm hoping if it's just 10 weeks, no parts required, then maybe it's not a 10-week wait. I'm hoping. Hopefully they'll be able to just do their thing and fix it better. However, that front fascia bar thing will need replacing, so that is something that we might just need to order in and get sent somewhere and replace ourselves. Or something.
I can do that replacement.
We don't really know. We don't really know what to do about that. And it just seems like every time we wait and get to the next place to get something done, it's just like, well, we're not going to be there. We do need to start getting out of the top before the wet. So, love it when other caravan people help each other out. Our fridge at the moment has got all these extra screws in it, but it's solid, and this is still buggered and flopping around, but we'll tape that or something for now. Still got a warning light which we're going to look into, but he's wedged it up a bit here to take the pressure off, just to get us back to Cairns. hello from Cooktown.
What a view.
We've driven up to the Lighthouse Grassy Hill lookout, and it gives you pretty much 360-degree views of Cooktown and the ocean and the system, and yeah.
You don't appreciate Cooktown until you get up here and you look at it. It's like nestled by these massive mountains around it. It's really cool.
It's awesome. Yeah, so we're just going to spend the day today exploring the sights of Cooktown and what it has to offer, the history and all that kind of stuff. And hopefully the weather holds out. It is meant to rain this afternoon, so yeah, hopefully we can get it all done and check out all the key things of Cooktown. I didn't realise there was so much to see. What did you find, Daniel?
A musical ship.
There's a musical ship, yes. This was my little surprise for Aria, which I didn't tell her about. It's cool, isn't it? What are we up to, Aria?
Eating lunch.
Eating lunch? Having a picnic? Do you know where we are?
Gaston Falls.
No.
Wow.
Where are we, Dad?
Botanic Gardens. Looks nice.
It's nice, hey?
Pretty.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Just down from the Botanic Gardens on the same road is Finch Bay. So while we're here, we might as well come and have a look, and it's awesome. So it's got like an inlet estuary type thing. You can see that behind me, and then a beach as well. So we'll show you around here. Welcome to Endeavour River Escape. We've changed locations for a change of scenery, and we wanted to come to this area for the waterfalls and possibly Elim Beach, but it's super windy, so we've chosen to come here to this farm stay type camp while it's still windy, and have a bit more bush camping, and yeah, we might hit up the waterfalls, or yeah, hit up the waterfalls maybe. The sun has come out, which is beautiful, and blue sky, because it's been all rainy and a bit yuck this morning. But yeah, anyway, $25 a night for 2 adults. Too little was the description when I said 3-year-old. So I'm not sure if there's a kid's age above. I can find out for you. But it's free camp, like unpowered only sites, so you have to be self-sufficient with your power and your water. And yeah, really, really nice owners so far. Absolutely beautiful. Check out what we're camped by. There's a fire pit as well. Already made one there for us, surrounded by bush. We have chosen a nice sunny spot for solar. There are some others that are next to the billabong that is fully shaded. Yeah, different sites to choose from. So we're on site 22. I think there's a total of 24 sites, I think, from memory. There's walking trails, there's a billabong, and there's toilets, showers and laundry as well. I'll go down and check those out in a little bit. But yeah, you pretty much, look how big the campsite is. All of that is our space. That's unreal, hey? Nice big space for yourself. Awesome. And fire pits dotted along all of the sites as well. Very windy all of a sudden. So we've got the warning out halfway. Hopefully it doesn't pick up anymore. And the sun's out now and I've got no sunnies on. Time for some lunch. I'm gonna go and find out what Daniel's making for lunch. What's for lunch, Dad?
Pretzel sandwiches, chicken.
Oh, thanks, Aria. Oh, Dad was talking to me. Barbecue chicken with coleslaw and wraps.
Yep.
It's pretty much been our diet for the last 2 days.
Yes, and I love you, Mum. You're my favourite mum.
Favourite mum? Thanks, babe.
I said it for a while.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good job, Aria. We have decided to take a little day trip today to see some of the sights around the area. So we're heading to Elim Beach, or Elim Beach, I'm not sure how to say it, I think it's Elim Beach. And hopefully got the tides right and we can go to the coloured sands. The weather is a bit cloudy, so it may not be colourful. We'll see how we go. And then we're going to check out some waterfalls after that. GPS is telling us it's about an hour drive to Elim Beach. I'm not sure if that's correct or not.
It's been pretty accurate.
It's been pretty accurate so far, but we haven't hit the dirt road yet either, so yeah. Okay, we've made it to Elim Beach. We got to the sign and you have to go down to the campground.
You were meant to.
You're meant to go down to the campground and pay your $10 day visitor fee. So you have to drive, how far down here? 800 meters. Stop at the campground office. And the $10 fee gets you the beach access to Coloured Sands and to the Cape Bedford area. Yeah.
It's fresh actually.
Someone's had a bad day. It's much softer. So apparently there's a canyon you walk in. We'll go for it and walk and see.
How do we get up?
Wow, the canyon is definitely worth the walk. You get both beautiful views of the amazing sand cliffs and back out to the ocean as well. Definitely put it on your list. We haven't gone all the way up because it got a bit steep and sketchy up there, so we've turned around and come back down.
The sandhill at Elim. It's bloody steep. I don't know if you can appreciate how steep it is. It's like, yeah, it's hard work. It's about 45 degrees, I reckon. Sand. Amanda said there's another way to go. It's easier. Then you run down this hill. It's probably a good idea, but yeah. Let's to the top. Don't see the truck anymore, it's down there. But I made it up the top. When I said almost up the top, I wasn't almost on the top. I was down there. I was like, oh yeah, the main part's done. But yeah, it still goes up and up and up. It still goes up a little bit higher. So I might just try and get up there just to say I've done it. It's almost there now. Just to show you how steep it is. They've still got a little way to go. Amanda looks like she's going nowhere. I told them to zigzag, but break time.
kilometres down Battle Camp Road, Battle Camp Creek Road, Battle Camp Road, is Isabella Falls, and they're right next to the road. And you can camp here as well, if you want to, but you have to organise pre-booking with National Parks first. What are you doing, Daniel?
Just making some lunch. We forgot a knife, so I'm using the little knife to cut the ham, the big ham.
Still working?
Oh yeah.
It's kind of shaving it.
Shaving it, yeah.
Nice, I like it shaved.
I'll make do.
Where are we? We're at Isabella Falls.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's really nice. There is apparently a croc downstream, not far. So swim at your own risk.
Yeah.
Daniel did go in and
it's pretty clear.
It's pretty clear and only like shin deep sort of thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, so, yeah.
Like,
but I guess
I wouldn't take a kid swimming in there, like an Aria age. But I think an adult would be alright.
Because you can see, and if you're watching, like I was watching the whole time downstream from where Daniel was to watch for any movement coming up or anything. But
come up and take an adult, you know, they'd probably come up and
take a kid. Yeah. So there is the where the ford bit where you drive across that. It's kind of like splash zone for kids, I reckon.
Yeah.
But yeah. Anyway.
Yeah, traffic hazard.
Traffic hazard, yeah. So this is the water crossing that you cross to get to Isabella Falls. It's just a nice concrete, smooth, easy, shallow drive, and then the falls are on the side. So there's parking area both sides of the crossing that you can park at, and if you park on the other side, like once you cross coming from Cooktown side, you park there, you can walk down the track down to like the falls park. Next waterfall is the Endeavour Falls, which you access from the Endeavour Falls Caravan Park and Camping area. The car on the road area. You just have to move off the road, bud. So yes, you park your car as you drive into the caravan park, park your car on the left, go into the office and check in with them, and then you get the instructions on how to get to the falls. And you walk through
a lot of palm trees.
A really massive amount of palm trees. The campground here at the Falls Caravan Park campground is really nice. It's actually really quiet as well, so it's not too far out of Cooktown. Half an hour, maybe. So if you're looking for like a really nice, quiet place,
there's a lot of palm trees.
There's a lot of palm trees.
It's intimidating.
This is really nice, yeah.
An intimidating number of palm trees.
There's a lot of palm trees. Can you see them all behind?
I wanted to do like FPV drone racing or something.
Looks like there's both powered and unpowered sites. I think I can see power. Or maybe they're just taps. No, power.
Hey, honey.
It's definitely powered sites. Taps everywhere. Yeah, all those cabins and stuff as well. So little swings, set thing. For the kids.
Hey guys, I'm doing an experimental cook tonight and I thought I'd bring you along and show you what I'm going to try. So here we have beef, and it's a beef eye fillet that we bought at IGA here. It was $20 a kilo for eye fillet for like I think it was about a kilo worth. And so we had steaks last night, just chopped it up and had steaks. And tonight I'm actually going to try something totally different that I've never done before. And that's make like a roll, a beef roll with garlic, butter and herbs in it. And then I'm going to try and cook it on the fire. Fingers crossed it works. Alright, so I've basically cut it, butter along it, chopped up fresh garlic, dried basil, dried oregano, dried coriander, and some paprika. And then now I'll roll it up. Alright, now I've got it rolled up. I'll just
What is this?
Okay, Daddy.
Annie, what is he doing?
He's checking the fire.
He's cooking dinner on the fire. Yeah.
Alright, it's just come out of off the fire. It's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to, it smells really garlicky and lovely. I'm going to put it onto the grill, just get a little bit of a flame sear on the outside. And I don't want to lose the butter and everything, but I do want a bit of a smoky, seared flavour on it. The final result, it's looking pretty bloody good.
That does look good, doesn't it? Look at it. It's almost like a Kiev.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's Mama.
Like a beef Kiev, I guess.
Yeah. Rolled. We're having it with some sweet potato and carrot and broccoli.
Oh, it looks nicely cooked too.
I feel like I'm looking.
Yum yum.
Now, I like it rare and Amanda likes it more medium well, so perfect.
I have
I'll
the
have the
ends,
rare
you
bits.
have the middle.
Done.
Yummy yummy. Hope that teased you, fellow followers. Because it smells delicious too.
Oh, it smells really good.
So good. I mean that in the nicest way, that I hope it teased you. Our dinner has teased you tonight. We've got a follower that always comments on how much they like our cooking. So hope this sufficed you. So with that brings us to the end of the Endeavour River Retreat, and we are on to another place. We're only going like what, half an hour?
Yeah, 45 minutes.
45 minutes to the south side of Cooktown, to another rainforest retreat. Just for a change of scenery. Got to do a quick stop and dump the toilet, fill up water, and grab a couple more groceries before we go.